What if every human sneezed at the exact same moment? The world would be hit with a massive, earth-shaking noise. The combined force of billions of sneezes would rattle windows, set off car alarms, and send birds fleeing from the trees. For a moment, the air would fill with tiny drops from all the sneezes, spreading across towns and countries like a light, misty cloud. Entire stadiums would shake, skyscrapers would tremble, and pets everywhere would dive for cover. The sudden burst of sound would echo through mountains and across oceans, leaving a stunned silence in its wake. All day long, people would share wild stories about what just happened, trying to believe that the world really sneezed together at once.